Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little fence piece that I got from Dollar Tree. I did take the hanger off. And I'm going to start by painting this first slat red, and then I'm going to paint the second one and the fifth one red as well. I'm going to get the edges, and I'm even going to do the back side of this slat, on all of them. Making sure that I get those edges, and then I'm going to work on these other two. And as you can see, I've done them all, including the backs. Next, I'm going to do the color Almondine on the second and fourth slat, the same way I just did the red one. Again, doing the sides and getting that back. And the slats in between, I'm leaving them for right now because that's going to be our next step. Once I have those white slats done, I am going to take some midnight blue, and I'm going to paint in between each one of the slats with the midnight blue. And I'm just doing this with a very, very thin brush, just kind of adding the blue in there. And then I'm going to paint those two slats on the back that hold the whole thing together with this color also. I want this to look good from the front and the back. And I'm going to do this on both the top and the bottom. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take a crate from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint this with the deep midnight blue as well. And I did the front, the back, the sides, and I even went inside of the edges. I even painted down inside the crate a little bit, just at the very top. Once I have that all painted, I am going to take these 3 wooden stars that I have. So I used 1 big one and 2 small ones. And I am going to put my paint mat down, a piece of tape, and then I'm going to lay the stars on them and paint them all with the color Almondine. Once I have those all painted, it's going to be time to start putting everything that we just did together. So I'm going to take the crate. I took a couple of pieces of floral foam, and I'm just going to set that inside there and glue those down. Then I'm going to take the fence piece that we made, and I'm going to glue that to the back half of the crate. So I'm just going to put a little glue on each one of the slats and then set that on even in the center and then hold it until it's adhered. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to take some Spanish moss and fill the little crate right up on top of the floral foam, kind of pulling off some of those extra wiry pieces. Once I have those all in there, I'm going to lay the crate on its side and I'm going to add my stars. So I'm going to do the big star in the center. And then I'm going to do one of each of the little stars on either side of that big one. And I kind of tilted these ones to the side a little bit. And look how cute that looks. Next, I'm going to take some of this greenery and I'm going to start filling my crate in with this greenery I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm just cutting the picks down so they're not so tall and pressing them into the floral foam. And you can fill it as much as you want. You can put whatever kind of florals you want in here. You could use, some Patriotic colors. It's totally up to you. I'm just using the greenery. And then once I had all that greenery in there, I wanted a little pop of color. So I decided to add 2 sunflowers to it, and I had these 2 smaller sunflowers. I'm going to pop those in, and that is it. This project is finished. I think it turned out so super cute. I love the sunflowers in it, and I'm so glad I decided to do that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.